ChatGPT is possibly the only AI tool you need to save you time and help you make more money. If you're new here, hi, I am Ankit Agarwal, an entrepreneur and a content creator. I am a complete no-code guy who loves to explore various AI tools to help me do more in less time and also help me make more money. If you are a no-code person like me, and you would love to explore AI tools to level up your game, then you will love this video. In today's video, we will see 7 extremely powerful hacks that can help you use ChatGPT very effectively. Let's go. The first super hack is to prompt effectively to get the best outputs from ChatGPT. The best way to get results from ChatGPT is to instruct it in the most correct way using the right prompt. I have gone through lots of prompt engineering videos and guides, but a recent prompt engineering guide released by Meta does a wonderful job by explaining it very simply. The guide asks us to use the SFR format, where S stands for stylize, as to how you want the output to be, whether you want a casual tone, a friendly tone, an informal tone, a formal tone, or a humorous tone. The F stands for format, so that you can instruct ChatGPT to give you the output in your desired format, whether you want a long post, a table, bullet points, an essay, and the paid version also lets you get mind maps and ideograms. And the R stands for restrict, so that you can tell ChatGPT to constrain the output in terms of the number of words you want, the length of the text, etc. If you don't feel like breaking your head over all these details, don't worry. I have a cheat code which I will share with you shortly, using which you can get almost ready-made prompts for most of your needs, and you will not have to make these prompts on your own. But hang on. First, let's cover the basics a bit, and I'll share the cheat code shortly. Let's try and understand all of this with an example. Here I've just posted a basic prompt. I have a t-shirt company. Please create 1 week's content calendar for me across all social media platforms, and I'll press on enter. And this is the output ChatGPT gave. Now I have gone ahead and pasted a more detailed constructed prompt, trying using Meta's prompt engineering guidelines. The prompt is: I am a solopreneur running a print-on-demand t-shirt business catering to audiences aged between 18 and 35. I'm mainly selling anime design, streetwear, and coat t-shirts. My delivery time is 7 to 10 days. We offer cash on delivery, free returns, etc. So here I've given it the context. Here I've stylized the prompt by specifying the tone, by asking it to be cool, casual, fun, and humorous. I have specified the format by saying create using catchy headlines, hooks, and a call to action. And I have restricted ChatGPT also by only asking it to create only one piece of content per day, and I'll hit on enter. So you see ChatGPT has gone ahead and given me a much more detailed, tailored response as per my needs. So now I had promised a cheat code. Let's check it out. The first one, we'll head to this website aiforwork.co. Here you can come here and create your free account. And as you can see, this is a ready-made prompt template library providing you ready-made prompts for various use cases. All you have to do is select your particular use case, select a suitable sub-use case, select your subject, create a content calendar. Just copy this prompt, go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit on enter. After doing this, ChatGPT will ask you a bunch of questions based on the prompt. Just answer them and it will give you your desired output. Now I'll give you a second cheat code which is even more easier and will make your life even more easy. Just head on to Google and type AIPRM for ChatGPT extension and download it and install it. So once you install the AIPRM plugin, you'll see this interface. Here you'll see tons of ready-made prompt templates based on your use case. Here you can see write best article rank on Google, human like rewriter, write a complete book in one click. This sounds interesting. Let's check it out. I'll click on this. Here I'll just write the topic, how to master English in 60 days, and I'll click on enter. And here you see, just like that, with just one click, with just one sentence, this book writer will go ahead and create an entire book for me. And here, if you come here in the search box, you can just write your use case. I'll write social media, and based on that, pre-made templates will come up like this one: ChatGPT be your social media manager. So somebody's gone ahead and already created a template for this use case. And here you can see this particular template has got 95,000 likes. It's got 95,000 comments and it's got around 182,000 views, 46 likes. And this one here, social media posts and image suggestions with one click. Wow. This has got around 250,000 comments, around 380,000 views and 108 likes. So this seems popular. So I'll just click on this. I'll just follow the instructions here and I'll click on enter. So here you see, it's going ahead and creating my content calendar. So we'll cover some more basics of prompting quickly that I studied from the guide. So the first one is role prompting, where you can assign ChatGPT a particular role, and based on the role, ChatGPT will give you your output. For the same example, I've written you're a world-class social media marketing manager. So I've assigned it the role of a social media marketing manager. Then there is few shot prompting, where you can give ChatGPT a few examples and ask ChatGPT to use that as a reference based on which it can create your output. And then there is of course zero shot prompting, what we were doing, where no example is provided and we start from the base. Another super easy cheat code. Just go ahead and type this. Ask me 5 questions that will improve the response you are giving me and help me create a better prompt, and click on enter. And ChatGPT will guide you in ways to create a better prompt. Also, many times when I'm stuck, I just straight away go ahead and ask ChatGPT the simple question: please help me create the perfect prompt for creating a social media plan for my business. And ChatGPT itself will guide me as to how I can take this forward. The second amazing hack is called custom instructions. Let's check it out. Just come here and click on your name, then click on customize GPT. Here you'll see this. So like we just went through creating a perfect prompt, what custom instructions helps us to do is to inform ChatGPT about our personality so that it can keep that in mind before giving us an output every time it does. So here it's pretty self-explanatory. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide a better response? So you can just come here and write about yourself. I have informed ChatGPT about myself. I am Ankit Agarwal, a 39-year-old entrepreneur living in Mumbai. I have 2 businesses, a tin manufacturing company and a t-shirt store called Swagstar. Now a super bonus tip that I learned from Jeff Su on YouTube. You must check his channel out. He's absolutely brilliant. Other than this, you can also go ahead and give ChatGPT your secondary personality. So I've explained ChatGPT my secondary personality. I am a no-code guy. I also am a content creator who creates content about how to use no-code AI tools to save time and make more money. I mainly make YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, and have begun writing on Twitter as well. Most of my content is around how to leverage no-code AI tools. I also use AI heavily to leverage time for my own business to create social media content, draft email strategies, and create marketing frameworks and decide marketing. He also recommends you inform ChatGPT about your basic interests and hobbies. My basic interests and hobbies are health and fitness, sports, no-code AI, tech, computers, content creation, self-improvement, and personal development. So by doing this, ChatGPT has a very good idea about who I am. So it will keep this in mind. So how would you like ChatGPT to respond? Casual, friendly, informal, and concise. It shall be to the point and shall not waste too much time. So this is how I prefer my output. Jeff Su gave another brilliant hack. Let's say if you aspire or look up to some of the amazing content creators on YouTube like Ali Abdaal, Tony Robbins, Matt Davila, Robin Sharma, whoever it is. So the hack that he gave was, you just simply copy the writing style of your favorite writer. Let's take Ali Abdaal in this case. Head back to ChatGPT, open a new chat window, paste their writing style here, and simply give it this prompt: analyze this writing style for me, and click on enter. Then ChatGPT will give you a detailed breakdown of the style of writing. You can go through it and pick items that you like: personal tone, relatable content, call to action, sharing personal experiences, clear structure, friendly closing, etc. Copy this, paste it here in this part where it says, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So this way you will hack ChatGPT to let it respond like an eloquent writer like Ali Abdaal. Or you can choose to let it remain like your style and just click on save. This was a pretty sick hack, I think. The next hack is, you can use voice command to get work out of ChatGPT. Simply log on to your ChatGPT app, come here, click on this mic button, and simply give your instructions. Create a social media content calendar for the next 3 days where we inform customers about a running discount, and then click on tap to stop recording, and then just click on this button here, and just like that, with a simple voice command, ChatGPT will do the job for me. Now the next hack is only for the paid version of ChatGPT. It's absolutely brilliant. It's called ChatGPT Vision. Just open your ChatGPT app, come here and click on this camera button. Just click a picture of what you want to ask ChatGPT about, and I'll just ask it the question, what is this species of plant? And I'll press on this button, and just like that, ChatGPT goes ahead and gives me the response to what I want to know. It's pretty similar to Google Lens actually, if you've been using that. So it's particularly useful if I'm out and about on the street, or if my children ask me the names of any random creatures they come across in their storybooks which I'm not aware of. The next hack is image generation inside of ChatGPT. So simply come here and make sure you're selected to ChatGPT 4, which allows using DALL-E 3, and just give it the prompt. So just come here in the prompt box and give it your prompt. create a funky logo design for my t-shirt store which sells anime streetwear, and click on enter. So just like that, it's given me two options. The good part is you can just come here and give instructions to edit them as per your liking. And once again, click on enter. Now this one's okay. I'll give it another request. Please create a flat vector design without the mockup. It's messed up on the spelling. So I'll have to say in this case, for AI artwork with text, ideogram is still the best. And just for pure artwork, I think Midjourney is better. But nonetheless, this is a feature that is available inside of ChatGPT 4, using which you might not have to go out anywhere. And it's good for creating basic artworks. The next brilliant hack is you can use ChatGPT to help you summarize any long article. I'll just copy paste the link of this article. I'll paste it here. Then I'll just write TL:DR, which means too long didn't read, summarize the article for me, and I'll hit on enter. And just like that, ChatGPT will summarize the entire article for you. Another pro tip that I learned from Jeff Su is how is this useful for you? I'll go ahead and ask ChatGPT this basic question. How is this useful for me, and how can I apply this to increase my work? And I'll click on enter. So brilliant. ChatGPT goes ahead and gives me advice which is more tailored for my needs. Now I'll show you a very interesting use case which saves me tons of time every day. Creating custom GPTs. First, let's look at the use case and example. I have created this custom GPT called Swagstar for my t-shirt business. This is ready. All I do is come here, click on this attachment symbol, upload the design of my latest t-shirt. It's getting uploaded, and I just type this message, please do the needful, and I press on enter. And now look at the magic. Just like that, just based on my t-shirt design, ChatGPT will go ahead and create the caption and an SEO optimized description with hashtags, so that I can straight away copy and paste this into Instagram and various other social media handles. This saves me tons of time every day, as I don't have to think and frame all of this or even give repeated instructions to ChatGPT, and this is already pre-made for me. Well, how did I do this? By creating a custom GPT, and it's really simple. You don't need any coding knowledge for this. Just come here and click on explore GPTs, then come here and click on create. Now you can create your own GPT by giving it simple text instructions. So all I did was give it some basic instructions about my company. So I just gave it these basic instructions. You are a master social media content creator. You create social media content for my t-shirt company called Swagstar, which is into selling anime t-shirts. Every time I will just upload my new t-shirt design, you will understand the design, and based on that, you will write a catchy slogan, a short SEO optimized description, and generate a few hashtags in row. You will also give a call to action to visit my store, www.swagstar.store. No emojis, you will keep the text precise and humorous. Once I upload the design, all I will do is I will type, please do the needful, and you will provide me with all of this. So you give it such basic instructions, click on this, and then from here on, ChatGPT itself will guide you to select a name, select a profile image, and here it says it's building the GPT for you. It suggests a name. How about we call it Content Star? Does that work for you? I say okay. Now it's generating a profile image for me. Here's the initial profile picture for Content Star. Do you like it? I said okay. Content Star is ready. Try it out in the preview box. So here on the right side is the preview box where you can test it out before you actually go ahead and save it. So let's test it out. I'll once again just upload a t-shirt design. I'll just upload the image and I'll say please do the needful, and I'll click on enter. I've uploaded the image here and I've just written please do the needful, and here it's ready, and I don't need to invest any more time in creating written text for my t-shirt pictures. All I have to do is just copy and paste this from here. So once you're satisfied with the preview, just go ahead and save this. You also have the option of sharing this with everyone, but since this is only for me, I'll click on only me. I'll click on confirm, and now this shall be available in my sidebar. So here we have Content Star. Here you can see a lot of other GPTs that I have created for my use cases. I have a fitness trainer. I have a sticker maker for my children using the same principles. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.